Dr. Viviana. I'm very happy and grateful for the time that you've given us today. I'm very excited to talk about the project that we helped to develop for these beautiful and wonderful community leaders, Ms. Patricia Obregon and Maricruz Romero. And we just want to tell you a little bit about the project, what happened, why we are so proud of it. And for that, I think we wanted to give you a little bit of context and let you know what we do in the City of Durham in the Department of Neighborhood Improvement Services. So for that, I invited my senior community manager, Laura Whittaker, who's going to help us and explain a little bit of who is the Neighborhood Improvement Services and our division community engagement. So I'm going to share the small presentation that I made. I hope that you all can see that. And perfect. So Laura, please go ahead.
One moment. For all of those who are speaking, slowly so that Felipe can do a great job in interpreting.
Good call. Thank you.
Hi, thank you for having me. My name is Laura Whittaker. As Maria said, I'm the Senior Community Engagement Manager. We are in the Neighborhood Improvement Services Department with the City of Durham. And as you can see on the slide, we do community engagement, but our focus is really equitable community engagement and focused on historically and currently underrepresented communities in Durham. So we have a long time worked with especially historically Black communities, but also working with Latinx populations, communities with disabilities, and other underrepresented groups are really a core part of our work and our focus day to day. And I'm glad to have Maria on our team since October. So we'll be coming up on a year soon. There's myself, and we have 8 other staff members who some work kind of frontline in the community on a day-to-day basis. And then some of us are working more on data analysis, working on kind of qualitative data to gather from community members and having community members speak and share conversations, not just gathering data through surveys. We also have community members where we are contracting with them and resourcing them to do engagement in the community. One of those groups is Sembrando Raíces, which has a community garden at Club Boulevard Elementary. So we have a variety of different things within our work, but our focus is really on building relationships with community members and helping them to become more involved in the city and organizing and advocating so that the city really hears and understands their needs and we're able to respond appropriately. So this is, Maria kind of had all the summary there. One of our programs, and then I'll turn it back over to Maria, that we've had for a long time, it's the Neighborhood Matching Grants. We're actually about to change the name to Community Engagement Mini Grants, but this program started, like we have here since in 2016. We get about $25,000 every year to fund community projects. And these are small grants, $2,500 to $5,000, working with neighborhood and community organizations just on projects to help bring people together. Those are the main things we say: a group of people who have a project in mind that helps to bring people together, because we want to really support that relationship building, that, you know, social capital and networking, because that's the stuff that really matters, whether you're going through COVID or people are facing eviction, all the other things that happen in your life. It's really coming back to the networks and the relationships that you have. And so these grants are all about helping to build relationships within the community. And we look to the community to let us know what the things are that they need that can help them to do that. So Maria brought forth this project, I think after having a community conversation or working with some community members, and it's been really exciting to be a part of this work and support it. These are just kind of 3-month projects. So we hope to do these and help to start this work and kind of help to lay some groundwork, and maybe some of these go on to become larger programs or get more sustainable funding in the future. I will turn over to Maria.
Thank you. So thanks to the matching grants and the mini matching grants that now we call it like that, we decided to go over this project that is the art therapy sessions for kids with autism in the Latino community. So this project came for a conversation that we have with these community leaders, with Miss Patricia and Miss Mary Cruz, who shared with us, shared with me at that time, that the lack of resources or lack of programs during the summertime for kids with autism, especially in the Latino community. And they really was thinking that would it be awesome to have a program during the summertime for these kids. So they thought that it would be a good idea to have an art therapy classes or sessions happening. And so based on that idea, we started working together. We connected with different organizations to see if we can find some art therapy clinician who can help us with this. I connected with different people at Duke. Thanks to Dr. María as well. She connected me with some other people. And somehow we were able to get a clinician that we invited today. Unfortunately, she couldn't make it today, but she came with us and helped us to create this project that it was every Wednesday. We have 2 groups. We have a total of 15 kids with autism in the community. They came every Wednesday. The first group came from 10 to 11 to work on the art therapy session, and then a second group from 11 to 12. We use the facilities in the Durham County main library and in the market lab that I invite everybody to go because it's a beautiful place. It has everything. So we didn't have to pay for space, and we have an amazing place. And so during those sessions, the moms were also there supporting the kids, trying to help them to, get connected and engaged in the project and the sessions. And from there, we were able to help them to develop some other skills as art therapy. So so they just started this project, and I decided to put this slide with a brief explanation of what is the art therapy. So you understand why it's a type of session that is very beneficial, not only for this kid with autism, but also to everybody at the very end. If you can see, it's a mental health resource that helps the kids to develop some motor skills, but also try to develop through art all those sense and feelings that they have. And so it was a really beautiful project. I was very pleased to see the moms so connected, so engaged, and so willing to come every time to have these sessions. And during that time, they were gathering together, the moms helping the kids, but also connecting between each other. And it's impressive to see that even though they have to deal with this, I'm not going to say the word deal, but it's just to have the hard work to take care of their kids, and not only them, but all the rest of the family, and still have that positive mindset, had moments to laugh and have some great feelings of a partnership. They just know each other for so long, some of them, and just make me laugh all the time. Every time they have something really fun to say, and that was really a great opportunity. And the other part is that they were feeling very grateful for the opportunity and so willing to participate in whatever other projects that come across the community to help their kids to develop some other skills. So I am very proud that we were able to put this together. It was not easy. It was a moment where we were thinking that we couldn't make it, but Miss Patricia and Mary Cruz never gave up. They were working hard, and I was behind the scenes trying to help them to get this done. And now we can be here and share with you this experience that it was great. So for that, I'm going to leave Miss Patricia and Miss Mary Cruz to talk about the experience, how they came with this idea, how they develop it, and what is the final message that they want to leave for you all. Señora Patricia, o puede empezar usted, pero está en mute.
Hola, buenas tardes. Soy Patricia Obregón. Algunos ya me conocen, soy promotora de salud también. Y pues yo también pertenezco a este grupo de apoyo de padres para niños con autismo. Y en realidad fue el trabajo de todas las madres, solamente que mi compañera Maricruz y yo tuvimos como que tomar la rienda porque es como se tiene que hacer la beca. Este fue un proceso, yo creo que como de 2 meses, cuando María nos platicó de la beca que estaba disponible, nosotras hablamos con las mamás y teníamos muchas ideas, pero entre todas decidimos que algo de arte era algo que los niños y adolescentes nunca habían tenido y hay muy pocos programas en Durham para ellos. Y los programas que hay, no todos incluyen a los niños con necesidades especiales. Y realmente para las mamás y los niños fue algo pues que nunca habían experimentado y pues ellas están muy agradecidas y yo creo que el enfoque de todo esto es que la gente se dé cuenta que estamos aquí. Y digo estamos aquí porque no solamente son los niños, son las familias, que todo el sistema en general sepa que la necesidad está porque no hay programas realmente para ellos. Hay algunos programas que son para niños, pero en este grupo había muchos adultos en transición y pues realmente para ellos no hay muchos programas en los que ellos puedan participar y esto fue algo bonito de este grupo, que también había niños, me parece que desde 6 años hasta adultos de 21 años y cada uno se expresó a su manera. Fue algo que nos gustó mucho, las mamás se involucraron, los hermanos se involucraron como voluntarios, María Padilla nos ayudó mucho a organizarnos, María Ramírez de la biblioteca y Sidney, la terapista, también nos ayudó bastante y creo que el mensaje sería pues que una organización o alguna parte de la ciudad, parques y recreaciones, DPS, no sabemos, tome esto como ejemplo para que se haga cada verano o si se puede hacer aunque no sea verano, programas así para los niños que lo necesitan. Y voy a dejar que Mari les explique un poquito más.
Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Maricruz Romero. ¿Me escuchan? Ok, mi nombre es Maricruz Romero y yo soy madre de un joven adulto con autismo. Él ya tiene 21 años. Como les voy a hablar como madre. Como madre fue una experiencia muy, muy grande para nosotros y para nuestros niños, ya que terapia de arte, en los 17 años que llevo de conocer a todas estas madres del grupo de autismo, nunca habíamos tenido una terapia de arte. Entonces fue algo muy maravilloso para nosotros. Estamos muy agradecidos tanto con la ciudad como con la biblioteca que nos brindó el espacio. Con la terapista y pues todas las personas que nos ayudaron a que esto fuera posible. Y nosotros como padres y como padres de niños con autismo adultos, nos interesa mucho que volteen a ver a estos jóvenes adultos, ya que hay demasiada ayuda. Yo sé que hay mucha ayuda para los jóvenes con adultos, los niños, pero en gran parte es para aquellos que apenas son diagnosticados y los que son jóvenes de 14, 16 años. Pero nuestros jóvenes con adultos, nuestros jóvenes adultos tienen la vida como que ya un poco en el olvido porque las actividades se acaban. Hay actividades que no están, que ya no hay para ellos, son muy pocos los recursos que hay para ellos y la mayoría pienso yo que están en inglés. Entonces nosotras las familias hispanas nos interesa que nos volteen a ver a nosotros los hispanos, a nuestros hijos, que nos sigan ayudando a involucrarlos en la sociedad, a involucrarlos en nuestra comunidad. Nos interesa que nos ayuden, que si hay organizaciones que están viendo esta reunión, como decía Patricia, que les sirva de ejemplo para que haya nuevas oportunidades para nuestros muchachos. Hay muchos niños con grandes habilidades que ya están siendo adultos, en los cuales pues estas habilidades podrían pues perderse porque pues no hay cómo sacar el provecho a todo lo que estos niños han aprendido. Si hay alguna organización que nos quiera apoyar, que quiera seguir haciendo esto a lo mejor a corto o largo plazo, el grupo de apoyo de autismo, de las madres de autismo y sus hijos, estamos muy interesados en asistir, estamos muy interesados en cualquier programa que se abra para nuestros hijos.
Yeah, so thank you. So as you see, we really have a really great experience. The matching grants that we have, these mini grants, is an opportunity for the community to engage, to work together, to find out, especially in the Hispanic Latino community, it's important to help them to feel empowered, to feel heard. I feel that also it creates that sense of belonging. It creates that sense of partnership together, that they have an opportunity to do something and get an impact, and create an impact in the community. So we're really happy that we were able to help them to build this. And of course, these grants are small, and probably they will be able to apply for a second time, and we will be more than happy to help them to go further with another project similar to this one. But the main goal that we're really aiming here is just to find other organizations who are interested to do some work with these groups. As Ms. Maricruz shared, there's particular group of young adults that are lacking on services with disabilities. And so I hope that this moment, I think that we really wanted to come not only to tell you about this project and the opportunity that we have, but also to just create awareness about the need of having more projects like this in the community for Latino Hispanic members.